Alright folks, buckle up. Today we're putting three 360 crab action cameras into the Octagon, the brand new GoPro Max 2, the fan favorite Insta360 X5, and the OG GoPro Max. Think of it as a battle between the glow-up, the influencer's favorite, and that one friend from 2019 who's still hanging on. Let's start with the GoPro Max 2. This thing is basically the Max after hitting the gym, eating clean, and maybe hiring a Hollywood agent. We're talking 8K 360 crabjacking recording. Yeah, 8K. Is your laptop ready to melt? Because it will. And if you're into slow-mo, you've got 4K at 100 FPS and 5.6K at 60 FPS. Basically it's saying, do you even slow-mo, bro? It doubles as a normal hero camera, giving you 4K 60 FPS single lens mode, so you don't have to live your life in a snow globe. Add in multiple lens options, hyperview, superview, ultrawide, linear, and it's like Tinder for field of view. Just keep swiping until you find the one. And the audio? 6 microphones. That's like strapping a podcast studio to your forehead. Plus it even connects to AirPods. Imagine vlogging underwater while narrating like David Attenborough through Bluetooth. Speaking of underwater, it's waterproof up to 5 meters. Not scuba diving deep, but definitely oops I dropped it in the pool, safe. Now across the ring, the Insta360 X5. This one's the cool kid at the party. Sleek, pocket-friendly, and dripping with features made for creators who want their videos to scream please go viral. It's got 8K at 30 FPS, 5.7K at 60 FPS, and if you're into buttery slow motion, 4K at 120 FPS. The X5 basically said, you want fake drone shots? Done. You want tiny planet TikToks? Easy. Want to look like you have friends? We've got me mode. It also pulls off Jedi tricks with gesture controls. Peace sign, boom, photo. Palm wave, boom, recording. Twist it, boom, your footage looks cooler than your entire Instagram feed combined. Oh, and stabilization? It's so smooth it could walk across a Lego floor barefoot without flinching. Battery life? Solid. Software? Insanely good. Insta360's app basically edits the footage for you, which is perfect if you have the attention span of a goldfish, but still want cinematic shots. Plus it's waterproof up to 49 feet, so yeah, this thing's ready to go full Finding Nemo. And then, we've got the original GoPro Max, released back when Baby Yoda was still trending. It's not bad, it's actually pretty fun. But next to these new beasts, it feels like showing up to a Tesla drag race in a Toyota Prius. The Max shoots 5.6K 360 video, which back in 2019 was jaw-dropping. Now, it's like, oh, that's cute. Photos, 16.6 megapixel in 360 mode. Stabilization, decent. Audio, actually really good. And editing is easy with the GoPro app. It's the gateway drug of 360 cameras. Simple, approachable, and honestly still great for casual creators. But put it next to the Max 2 or Insta360 X5, and let's just say it's kind of like your dad trying to join your TikTok dance. Respect, but no thanks. So who wins? If you're all about specs, pro workflows, and cinematic editing, the GoPro Max 2 is the beast you want. It's like carrying an entire production studio in your pocket. If you're more into fun, viral content, and ridiculously easy editing, the Insta360 X5 takes the crown. It's the camera equivalent of content creator mode, unlocked, and the original GoPro Max, still solid if you can find it cheap, but honestly, it's like buying a brand new iPhone 7 in 2025. You can, but should you? At the end of the day, both the Max 2 and the X5 are insane upgrades, and which one you pick really depends on whether you want GoPro's reliability or Insta360's creative playground. Either way, your footage is about to look so good that your friends will ask if you hired a drone, a cinematographer, and maybe Spielberg. So which one are you picking? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button before your camera overheats in 8K.